everyone, Sheila here from Rockton Connect. Today we're going to help Laura out in the Accounts Payable office. Laura is the Accounts Payable enforcer, but she's a bit behind on overdue bills. So we're going to help Laura out by creating a widget on her dashboard. Widgets are a fantastic way to analyze and display data so she can quickly see how many bills are past due and then take action. Widgets are built from generic inquiries, which are inquiries into the data within your system. The information Laura needs is in the DB Bills to Pay inquiry, and we want to utilize the Overdue Bills tab, which has a conditional filter to only show bills with the due date that is equal to or less than today's date. Since Laura uses the AP Clerk dashboard, we're going to edit that dashboard. To edit this dashboard, click on Design. Next, find where you want to add the widget and click Add New Widget. Acumatica gives you different types of ways to display information, such as charts, data tables, pivot tables, but today we're going to select Scorecard KPI and click Next. For the inquiry screen, we're going to use the lookup and enter the word Bills. This narrows the search and the list of choices. Select DB Bills to Pay. Since we only want to see bills that are past due, we can use the shared filter and change it from All Records to the Overdue Bills filter. We want it to group by the reference number field, so we will add that in the field to aggregate. Then we can leave Count as the aggregate function. Now it's time to define what the normal and alarm levels are. For Laura, her alarm level is 10. You then get to choose what colors to use. For normal, we can use green, yellow if it's a warning, and we'll select red for the alarm color. Next, let's quickly add an icon for her. There are predefined icons within the system, so we'll choose the one called Account Balance. Lastly, we just need to give it a name. So under the caption, we'll enter Overdue Bills. Click Finish, and now the widget appears. Click Design again to exit the design mode, and you can now see that there are overdue bills. And if Laura clicks on the widget, it takes her to the generic inquiry, where all the detailed information is, so she can analyze which bills to investigate further. She can even drill into a particular invoice to take action. And that's how you create a widget on a dashboard in Acumatica.